guys, how are you? Just today I came for Pfizer vaccine. I did for 6 months and for both vaccine, but I got one message for the Pfizer vaccine as well. So today I came to World Trade Center. Whenever you come here, so ask them. There is two way. You have to ask with them okay, where is walking and where is appointment, because they will not tell you about the without appointment where is this sites. So then I came here, so they say we are not accepting without appointment. Then I go inside and I check with them. I say where is walking. So they said walking. They don't want to tell us. Then quiet. Then I guess again me and one Filipina girl we asked where is walking side. So then he said walking side is back side, because the appointment side is too long queue. When me and one Filipina girl we came out and we said who don't have appointment, they can go back side of this building. So you can believe me, this long queue is without appointment, and they were waiting for. Okay, they will say okay, no problem, come inside. Then me and one Filipina girl went back side, so they follow us. They went with us. So there is one side without appointment. Alhamdulillah, I got my Pfizer vaccine, first Pfizer vaccine. But there is one problem also. Whenever you come for Pfizer vaccine, if you did before to your Sanofi vaccine or any other vaccine, bring with you your vaccine card. Otherwise, they will not accept you. Or there is one app, Al Hosun. They will check from there, but there is some internet problem, so this app will be not open, because I had same this problem. So I went inside and I request check by system, check by my email, check by my mobile number. So they check and they accept my request. So then I got my vaccine. But bring with you your vaccine card if you did before. Thank you so much. This is small information, but if you follow this information, so you cannot you cannot take headache here suddenly. Oh my god, I forget my vaccine card. Oh my god, I lost my vaccine card. So follow these instructions, then you will not get more pain after your vaccine. Okay, now I came inside of metro, and then after 10 to 15 days I will come again for my second vaccine. Okay, Allah, bye bye.